Time for the Weird and Wacky segment.
Abominable snowman.
He's not an axe murderer.
One of the TAs turned out to be a bot.
All right, for Weird and Wacky, we just have one article for you. And if you're traveling to China soon, it may be good for you to know. How long have you been in there? A popular tourist destination in China has installed toilet timers. Reactions are mixed. So first of all, this is not a countdown timer. It's a count up timer. And so when you walk into the bathroom, you'll see either a sign that says unoccupied over the toilet, like in a digital sign, or it'll have a timer that's counting up. Now, the idea is that if they're all occupied, you go stand in front of the one that has the highest timer, because that's the person that's the most likely to finish up the soonest. So if there's a timer that's 3 seconds in, maybe don't stand in front of that door. If there's a timer that's like 4 minutes in, maybe they're wrapping up. That's the concept of it. And this is to help things sort of move along a little more smoothly inside of the sort of bathroom, getting people in and out. But some people said they felt like they're kind of being rushed, like they're being like sort of watched or observed. I think it's a fascinating experiment at the very least,
Okay, here's what I don't understand.
Okay.
Here in bathrooms, when like you go to the stadium or there's a lot of people in line for the bathroom.
Yeah.
Common like social etiquette here, at least in the US, is to just create a line.
Yeah.
And the person at the front of the line goes to whichever opening is first.
That's right. Yes.
You don't queue up at the door.
But that's not but China, have you been to China?
I've not been to China.
Okay. So like if you're in London and you're waiting to get on the tube, there's a very clear line in front of each door. You just go wait in that line. In China, there is no line for anything. You just literally shove your way toward the door and hope you can get on. Like that's true for all the trains. Like it is a wild free. The only place in China I think there's really a genuine queue is like in an airport. Like they kind of force it there. Otherwise, it's a full on free for all. And like people are walking from the back around the whole crowd, squeezing their way. It is wild.
I mean, I guess this is what happens when you have 1 billion plus people and they're all wanting the same thing at the same time.
That's just like London has this super etiquette, follow the rules kind of culture. America has it a little bit related to lines and stuff, but like China they just don't have that kind of, like, it was so bad. Like, but I was in China for like 10 days. And then when I got back, in the American airport, I had to remind myself to not walk around the line and just push it. I was like, these people will beat me up. Like I had to physically remind myself not to do it. Like
they might not beat you up, but they'll look at you like,
yeah. So
why is he doing that?
Yeah, it's just different. So I mean, no good, no bad. It's just different. It is what it is.